Welcome traders, this is Patrick from Trading123. In this video we're going to show you our trades of the day here on April 19th, 2022. And we're trading 3 contracts of the NQ, stop at 28 on this trade. And our goal was 620. And basically this is where we started the AutoTrader. And with our trend filter it didn't take this short due to the trend being up. And it didn't take this long yet because it hadn't analyzed the data. So we get another pullback, trends up, it gets long here, and up we go. 3 contracts, our goal is hit just like that, with some positive slippage to the upside as it bursts to the highs. And let's take a look at our strategy performance on this trade. And as you see, this trade only lasted, I don't know, a minute and a half, 2 minutes. Those are your best trades. So here's the strategy performance. 687 is what it made. Commission 12 bucks, and it made 3 trades, all longs. Average trade 229, largest one 435. Potential profits on a 30-day basis over 20K. Now, there's a lot of vendors out there that show their videos also here on YouTube, but they fail to disclose their strategy performance, which shows all the real numbers. This was a live trade. These are all real numbers. It's not no back test or market replay stuff that the others play. Yeah, sure, they can trade 10 or 20 contracts and make 5 or 10 grand a day, but in reality, who does that? Most traders only trade a couple contracts, so they're just blowing the numbers up, trading large contracts, showing that they make 5 to 10 grand, and never even showing the strategy performance. How many trades did it take to make that 5 or 10 grand? 30, 40? How much commission did they pay? Half of it? So unless you see a strategy performance in a video, don't believe it. It's a market replay. So let's look at our next trade. And with our software, not only do we give you an education of how the market works and timing methods to use and the best times to trade and when not to trade, where other vendors won't even give you a manual and basically tell you to go do some back testing, put in your numbers and see what you get, find out what works. Here we give you the general settings that we use each and every day, and now they're not etched in stone because the market conditions change and everyone has different profit goals. But we do provide a manual and videos that explain everything on using the software to set it up and get the trader trading, what stops to use, profit targets, etc., as I said. So with part of education comes timing, and in this timing right here we're going to the end of the day, and basically end of the day here you have the potential to obtain some gains, and that's what we did. We started the strategy, we turned off the trend filter so it would take every trend change, and it took one down, one up, one down, and boom, we're out. We had our larger goal from earlier in the day, and we basically had 9 trades, $628 gain. And here's the strategy to performance to prove that this was a live trade. 628 total profit, commission 36, 9 trades, 100% winners, and potential profit on a monthly basis, 19K for 30 days. So like I said, we've been trading for over, been on the internet for over 18 years. AutoTrader's been out for over 10, and we trade the market each and every day. So let's go look at another trade we did with the AutoTrader, and we're always improving our AutoTrader. As you see, with our new trend filter has been working out great. And we usually update our software when NinjaTrader updates their new builds. So we're always in the current build with NinjaTrader. not giving you some program that's 3 years old and doesn't have the new features that Ninja puts in with each of its updates. So let's look at the next trade. So here's our next trade, and you say, well, why didn't you start it at 9:30? Well, who would be stupid enough to start the AutoTrader at 9:30? I mean, unless you traded with it for a couple of years, there's no need. The first 10 minutes of the open, 5-10 minutes, is just up and down whipsaw action. And if you're trading the open on your own, obviously you're either getting lucky or having a lot of losses, because it's pretty quick and you can get wiped out very fast. So we let the market open, show its hand, just like being in Vegas playing blackjack. You let the dealer show its hand, and then you go ahead and make your plan of what you're going to do. So we basically let the market open, and here we're running the basically same figures. 620 profit goal to start, 3 contracts, stop at 28. We catch an uptrend. Our trend filter keeps us out of the short because the trend was up, and up we go, and we hit our profit goal as the market breaks out. So a very quick trade, took less than 2 to 3 minutes to trigger and run, and we don't have to worry about sitting in chop and slop. It's all about knowing how to trade and when to trade the market. And there's the strategy performance. We record our strategy performance for all our trades. 620.52, $24 in commission, 6 trades, 100% winners, and the rest of the figures at the bottom. Potential profit on a 30-day basis, $18,900 per month. So when you're trading with an AutoTrader, it does all the work for you. It doesn't hesitate, it doesn't miss trades, and that's where the power of automation will assist the trader from any market conditions. Because say this trade's going up and then it starts to pull back, and you're thinking about right here, I'm going to short it. And then the market reverses and you're stopped out, and then it breaks out to the highs. That's where something that's been programmed to recognize different trend setups has the advantage over the average trader. So that's our trades of the day in the NQ with the Trading123 AutoTrader. This is Patrick. Hope you enjoyed the video. Be sure to subscribe to our YouTube channel here for more trading tips, and like our video if you found it interesting and learned something. And also follow us on social media on Twitter and Facebook. Till next time, good luck with your trading, and we'll see you in the next video.